closet. We got a dread disease. I've been looking high and low, looking high and low for my skeleton key, and they say the pride. Well, it's a cheap little sense. Well, I know all of his deputies. I know all of his deputies. I'm well acquainted with them. Yes, she walks on water. Yes, yes, she walks on sky. Yes, yes, she walks on roses. Yes, yes, she walks on by. She got a brand new ache. She got a brand new crutch. Got a brand new scar. Got a brand new scar. Take a lifetime to cover it up, and this ground is barren. Honey, this place was dry. That's a long, long time ago. Long, long time ago. Till I looked in your eye. Yes, she was.